We're building something that feels like a god, but it's getting harder and harder to control. So what if the reflection we see in our most powerful creation isn't some monster, but just us? Picture an AI that doesn't just manage your schedule, but actually challenges your deepest beliefs. An AI that forces you to see the biases you never knew you had. This isn't some far-off sci-fi plot, it's right around the corner. And surprisingly, the ancient philosophy of Stoicism might just be the best guide we have for what's coming. Every single time you chat with a large language model, you're essentially looking into a mirror. These systems are trained on a massive ocean of human expression, our art, our science, our late-night forum posts, and our entire messy history. By their very design, they can't help but be a reflection of us. They hold our flashes of genius and our glaring blind spots, our incredible capacity for kindness and our worst impulses. Philosopher of technology Shannon Valor puts it perfectly. AI acts as a mirror, showing us both our collective brilliance and our societal flaws. And this forces a really uncomfortable question: do we actually like what we see? This confrontation is the ultimate Stoic test. We are creating machines that beam our own humanity right back at us, making us grapple with huge questions about ethics, control, and what it even means to be conscious. How we handle this test will define our relationship with technology and with ourselves for a long time to come. Look, it's easy to feel anxious about a future being shaped by forces that feel completely out of our hands. The speed of AI development is a lot. It's sparking some very real fears about jobs, privacy, and our own place in the world. This is where the Stoics give us a powerful anchor, the dichotomy of control. It's a simple but profound idea. Learn to separate what you can control from what you can't. For most of us, the relentless march of AI is an external force. We can't personally stop it. And as the Stoic philosopher Seneca warned, we tend to suffer more in our imagination than in reality anyway. So what can we control? Our response. We can decide how we learn about these tools and how we interact with them. We can choose to double down on the skills that are uniquely human: creativity, critical thinking, and genuine empathy. Our real power isn't in trying to stop the tide. It's in learning how to surf the waves with a little wisdom and grit. If AI is just a tool, how do we make sure we're using it well? The Stoics argued that virtue was the ultimate good, and they gave us 4 big ones to use as a moral compass: wisdom, justice, courage, and temperance. First, wisdom. This isn't just about being smart, it's about using AI with good judgment. It means understanding what it's great at and what its very real limitations are. It's about being an active, informed user, not just a passive consumer. Second, justice. An AI trained on biased data will give biased results. That's not a bug. It's a feature of the data it learned from. The Stoic virtue of justice demands that we push for systems that are fair, transparent, and built on a foundation of respect for human dignity. Third, courage. Let's be honest, it takes guts to face the ethical minefield of AI without freaking out or just sticking our heads in the sand. It's the courage to have the awkward, necessary conversations about the world we're building with these new powers. And finally, temperance. This is all about self-control and balance. It means using AI to enhance our skills, not replace them. It's about finding that sweet spot where technology serves us, without letting our own abilities get lazy and atrophy. If using ancient wisdom to tackle modern problems sounds like your kind of thing, maybe stick around for more explorations into philosophy for this wild world of ours. The Stoics had a special word for things outside our control: indifference. Stuff like wealth, health, or what other people think of you, none of it is inherently good or bad. And guess what? Technology falls right into that category. AI isn't indifferent, it's a tool. A hammer can be used to build a home or to break a window. The morality isn't in the hammer itself, but in the hands and intent of the person swinging it. Thinking about it this way is actually incredibly freeing. It knocks AI off its pedestal of utopian hype and pulls it out of the pit of dystopian doom. It puts the responsibility right back where it belongs, on our shoulders. AI isn't our savior and it's not our doom. It's just a powerful amplifier for human intention. That means we need to focus on the one thing that really matters: building our own character and making sure our intentions are good. The mirror of AI is showing us with stunning clarity exactly who we are. Stoicism doesn't have all the answers, no philosophy does. But it does offer a sturdy, time-tested toolkit for making sense of this new world. By embracing the dichotomy of control, we can swap our anxiety for action. By making the virtues our guide, we can shape our technology with purpose. And by seeing AI as a powerful but neutral tool, we take back our own power to shape the future. The mirror is right in front of us. The reflection is getting clearer by the day. The only real question left is, what kind of humanity are we going to show it? Thanks for being here with AI in mind, guiding the human mind through the AI revolution.